Alright guys, today we're going to do a little interior clean on the black Mercedes here. We're going to use Pro products. We got leather cleaner. We have Fresh 15, which is a one-step cleaner and disinfectant type of product. And then we're going to use the leather lotion to finish off the leather. We're going to start first with removing the floor mats from the car. We're going to blow it out with air from the compressor. We'll get all the dust and everything. We'll blow it all out and then we'll vacuum it. So let's start there. We've got our air nozzle connected to the compressor, and we're going to blow out all these floor mats. And for the inside, we're just going to blow everything out, get all the particles out, the seats and cracks, and then we're going to come back and vacuum the carpets. All right, so we vacuumed, we've blown out all the dirt and debris, so it's pretty much dust and dirt free in the carpets. So now we're gonna clean the seats. We're gonna use the leather cleaner from Pro, and we get a dry towel, and you could probably spray this, or you can just load some on here, like I got right here. And then you're gonna wipe the seats down with this. You're gonna scrub them with this. Not very hard, but, and as you get closer, you can see that it has a cleaning solution. It kind of suds up a little bit. Okay, you can see that in person, not so good on film, I bet. But anyway, you just wipe all of this down. You don't push too hard, just clean. Try to get everywhere as best you can. And you can use a sponge, or you could, maybe if you had a brush, you might be able to use a brush if you want to do that. This car's not very dirty, so we're just cleaning with this towel here. Alright, once you're done cleaning with the towel with the cleaning solution, you get a damp microfiber towel. Now this has been put under distilled water, or I have reverse osmosis, and wrung out, and you wipe everything down that you cleaned. So what we're doing now is just getting all the leather clean from any soiling, any body fluids, any oils from the body, dirt. Okay, all right. You can do the steering wheel. Depends on what kind of fabrics you have. I don't know that this is the same kind of leather that's on the seats, but it feels like it. All right, and we're just going to continue on with the cleaning process throughout the car. Alright guys, we're going to use the Fresh 15 now, and this is a multi-cleaning type of system, so it can clean inside your house, food areas. It does bacteria, mold, 99.9% of germs, and you can read up more about that if you want to know. And there's different ways to clean. You can obviously spray and let it sit for longer periods of time to get more viruses or bacterias, whatever they claim to clean. there's different time limits, but for our purposes here, we're just going to spray into the towel and shake it up good, spray into the towel. Now I'm going to saturate this towel, and we're going to wipe down all the surfaces that get touched here first. Now if you wanted to just use this product without the other cleaning product, you could probably do that too, but the other one is specific for leather. So this one is more for the surfaces that my wife touches inside here. You're always touching seat belts. And of course, the door areas, the handles, all the little buttons. All right, so we've already cleaned all the leather with leather cleaner. We've used the basically antibacterial cleaner or sanitizer on all the things that we touch. And now we're gonna go over the leather one more time with a leather lotion just to rehydrate it and make it nice and supple. Now I'm gonna put it onto this applicator here, and I'm gonna get rubbing into all the leather. This is going to make it nice, supple, rehydrated. And then we're just gonna go ahead and go over with a dry, clean towel and buff everything off. All right guys, so I hope you liked the video. If you do, hit that like and subscribe, press that notifications bell so you don't miss any of the new videos we put out. Let's talk about what we did. We used the leather cleaner on all leather type of fabric, okay? And basically I want to remove body oils or dirt or staining if you have. This is for leather, and we cleaned it all up. Then I wanted some extra cleaning power for viruses and bacteria. Now this is Fresh 15. It says it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. You can use this as an air freshener. You can spray this on the carpets. You can use it everywhere in the car. Hard, non-porous. You can use this in your house, outside, whatever you want to do. Also kills mold, does all kinds of stuff. Great product. I just want the car safer and cleaner for my wife, and I feel like this is doing the job. So we cleaned everything up with that. And then to make the leather hydrated and conditioned, again, we use the leather lotion, and that's very easy. You put it on an applicator and you wipe it in and use another towel to buff it off. So 3 great products from ProWax.com. These are pro products and very easy to use. These are all the tools I used. 2 towels for the cleaner, a dry and a damp towel, 1 towel for the Fresh 15, and 1 towel for the leather lotion. Thanks for watching, guys. Clean your cars on the interior. This is good stuff right here. Very clean, very helpful. I feel good about it. Stay tuned for more.